Hello, here have a glitch for the Block Blast, okay, game, and we are going to the first step, okay. The first step we are going to the classic here, okay, and you click, and here in the classic, okay, you put this in the this corner, okay, this in other corner, and this in the other corner, okay. Here you go to the settings, okay, and go to the replay play, okay, and here you put this in the corner, this in the corner, and this in the center, okay. This is here, okay, have the this, okay. You put this and you go to the settings and you go to the replay play, okay, and here you put this, okay, you put this here, okay, and you have the glitch on the Block Blast. Bye bye.